Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and good morning from Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province. I just arrived by train a couple hours ago from Kunming, and I'm checking out the downtown area. I'm in Tianfu Square at the moment, and I was gonna go inside because it's a little wet out, as you can see. So I was gonna check out the Sichuan Science and Technology Museum right here behind me, behind the statue of Chairman Mao over there. So let's go check it out. Brings back some good memories. Wave Runner from Sega. And he's riding on a snowmobile. Perfect. So that's it, everybody. As you can see, the exhibits are children and family oriented, but I still had a lot of fun, although I'm kind of a science nerd when it comes to these kind of things. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.